Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And this today's video I'll be showing you how we can remove collaborators from Google Drive. Alright guys, first thing first, let's just open our Google Drive application. And after we have our Google Drive application opened, we can select a folder or a file we would like to remove the collaborators from. And I'm gonna go with this folder because I have invited some collaborators to this folder. So we need to click on these three dots on the folder, and we have to select the manage access option. Okay, and those are collaborators on this Google Drive folder, so they can edit this Google Drive folder. And I'm going to remove one of them. I'm going to remove this account, so we can click on it like this. And since we want to remove this collaborator from this folder, we can click on remove. Okay, and you just need to wait for a moment. Okay, and now this collaborator has been removed from this Google Drive folder, so they cannot edit or access this Google Drive folder. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove collaborators from Google Drive. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.